In this video, you are going to learn how you can build the website instantly using a AI website builder. So this is the Brizy, and for the AppSumo Black Friday, it's back again on the lifetime deal. Right now, you can get it started from the $69, and with this tool, you can create the pop-ups, you can create the landing pages, you can create the multi-page website, and this is the best part that you have the designing process in your hand with the global and saved blogs that you can customize as your needs. So if you want to check it out, it's lifetime deal for the Black Friday. Link is given in the description. For this Black Friday, you can also get the 10% extra discount. Now without wasting any more time, let me give you a detailed demo of this Brizy platform. I am going to show you a AI tool with the help of you can create, design or build the website or the landing pages in just few minutes with the minimal efforts. And the best part is also the so many great templates available. No matter what is your business, you can just add or use any of these templates in your website and your website is built with just few minutes. After that, whether you have just generated the website with the help of AI or use its template, you can do this some customization. If you don't believe me, this is the website for the social media marketing services I have created with the help of AI here. Look at this scrolling graphics here. We have the customized images and the text available, and you know this is the not that much of the perfect website you have assumed with the help of AI you have generated, but we are at least some point from just thinking out in our minds here. No worries, we can make it better. So to make it better, what you can do, you can just go to its website editing panel here. You can just select the element and after that make it customized. Suppose you want to change the text, you can add or remove or add more text here. You can change its color. Right now it's in the green, you can make it black, you can make it red, you can make it green, whatever the thing you can do it here. It's that damn easy. It has all the elements available, whether it's column, text, images, you want the forms, you want the pop-up, you want to add the video, you can just make it drag and drop and add that element here. It's that damn easy here. So this is the crazy AI tool. Right now I'm going to give you a detailed review video and you can check it out. No code website builder for cloud or the WordPress. Yes, you can even use this website or AI tool for even your WordPress sites. This is the crazy part here. So let me go to the products and here you can check it out. We have the AI website builder. You want to do it on the custom hosting or you can even get the cloud hosting from the Brizy itself. You can use it and make the white label AI website. It has the cloud option that is going to give you all the white label features. You can publish the video, you can publish your website, you can publish your SaaS platform or the tool. You can use it for the hosting, blogging, all this stuff here. Plus, like I said, you can even use this Brizy AI on the WordPress site. So it has a dedicated plugin available. It is going to all the features offer like the drag and drop builder. We have the design tool, we have the white labeling, theme builder, we have the pop-up builder. All this stuff you are going to get under the one AI tool here. So this tool name is the Brizy Cloud. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this AI builder here. If you have enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, and if you check it out, the Brizy Cloud Lifetime Deal, the link will be given in the description. Plus I am also giving out my free bonuses, so make sure you also check them out. And if you want to check out more videos on the AI tools or the softwares or the SaaS platform, you can also check out these videos.